Welcome to Justin Lane in beautiful Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast. My name's Johnny and I'm the general manager here. So we're really fortunate to be just 100 metres across the road from the beautiful Burleigh Break. Justin Lane's been one of the forerunners in the cocktail culture here on the Gold Coast for the last 10 years, and I'm really proud to be able to carry that tradition forward. Today we're going to be making one of our in-house cocktails, the non-alcoholic range LYRE'S Italian Orange. Really renowned here for a lot of cocktail sales, so this was an installation for people to enjoy all the art without the intoxication. For me, I think cocktails are a lot about art, you know, they're a lot about experience and having something to say. And that shouldn't necessarily be segregated to people who are looking to drink. When we started before LYRE'S, making non-alcoholic drinks was near impossible. And what we find using this is we can get nuance into drinks without necessarily having to take those steps.